you've got a lot of things you want to do this year. With the Brother INKvestment Tank all-in-one printer, changing your ink won't be one of them. The Brother INKvestment Tank will change the way you ink. It comes with up to 1 year of ink in the box, so you can enjoy worry-free, uninterrupted printing. Applying groundbreaking technology, INKvestment Tank uses clean, familiar cartridges to transfer ink to an internal storage tank. And with the Brother Intelligent Page Gauge, you'll be confident that you won't run out of ink in the middle of an important print job. Brother INKvestment Tank all-in-one printers make copying, scanning and printing fast and easy with an automatic document feeder, versatile paper handling and built-in Duplex capability. INKvestment Tank printers let you perform multiple tasks from your desktop and mobile devices. Use the intuitive 2.7-inch coloured touchscreen to print from or scan to popular cloud apps to share, store and retrieve documents. The Brother INKvestment Tank is ready for anything, just like you, and backed by our at-your-side support for the life of the product. Brother INKvestment Tank. Change the way you ink.